Hey, and welcome back to How to Do Whatever. Today I'm going to show you how to make bullet holes in your head without actually harming your body. So I'm just going in and I am doing it with some makeup. I'm using some liquid latex for that, and I'm just putting my liquid latex right on my forehead where the bullet is actually hitting me today. So let's just go in. So I'm placing the bullet right in the middle of my forehead, just like here. I've got a pimple here anyway, so why not use it? I'm just going to put liquid latex there, just like this. And I'm using my fingers or a brush to just spread it out so it's nice and flat towards the sides. Then I'm going to use my end of my brush and I'm just creating a round circle in the middle of it. You can also use a spatula or so. I just use that one because it's nice and handy, it's just laying here. So just going to create a circle.
Just build the hole as long as the latex is wet, so you can push it around just the way you wanted to have it.
And now I'm just letting everything dry.
A little later.
Alright, so the edges are already dry, the inside is not dry yet. I'm just going to cover it with some normal makeup, just so the edges are nice and blended towards my skin color. I'm not really sure if that makeup is too dark for me at the moment, because it's winter time, so I'm a little bit more pale than usual. So let's just see. Oh well, it's a little bit dark, but I can deal with it. It's just about hiding these edges. Well, maybe make it a little bit brighter by adding some yellow. But you can avoid that step by just using the right makeup. So I'm just blending it. Right. So that's done. It's not totally blended, unfortunately, but that will do for now. I'm just going in and I'm just dabbing some powder on it, just to seal it all up. Now I'm going to create the bullet hole. I already prepared the bullet hole by just poking the hole in the middle, but now I'm just going in again, just grabbing the middle and just drag it out. You can also just use your fingers. You literally just want to have the hole and the latex basically being lifted up around the hole.
Be really careful when you fiddle around with the latex so it doesn't rip. So you just want to gently pull it off your own skin and just make like a round circle out of it.
So just like that. I'm now going in and I'm grabbing some black and I'm covering the inside of the hole.
Just go with the color underneath the latex so your natural skin tone won't poke through in any point.
So here we go. Then I'm grabbing some red I'm going in with the brush, just dabbing some red around it. And then I'm going in with the rough bit of a sponge, getting it in some red and blue, and then just dab it around the wound. You can add some more lighter colors such as red by itself. As you can see, the hole is barely visible again because I dabbed too much on it. So I'm going inside of the hole and I'm going to take my brush and some of the fresh scrap, which looks like that, and I'm just picking up some of that and I'm putting it right in the center, it's right in here. Adding some black. Going to take some blood now. Just make it look like it's running down. And it's more realistic when you take real fake blood. So I'm going to go in, grabbing that fake blood, getting it on my little, oops, and then just let it drip down.
I was starting over and over again from the top, so the blood is actually following the same blood flow as it would do if it would go down your nose. I was then dabbing on the blood around the hole, just like some blood splashes and some smearings, as I would then went in with the finger just dabbing it on, so it actually just had the color of the blood, just like droplets. Just work it in until you're happy, and here we go.
I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, and see you next time. Bye!